Welcome to the next video. Today we're going to discuss about finally and finalize keyword. So you can take a screenshot of this and use it before your interview just to brush up. So the final keyword is used in Java to define the constants, prevent method overriding and inheritance. It can be used with variables, methods and classes. So when you assign it to a variable, their values cannot be changed. So here you have max value is equal to 100, which is a final variable. When you try to change the max value is equal to 200, it gives you an error. The next one is the final method that cannot be overridden by the subclasses. So here you have a parent class and there is a method void show. Then when the child class is extending the parent, it gives a compile term error because it attempted to override the final method. Then the final classes that cannot be subclassed. So if your final class is superclass, then when you have a subclass that extends the superclass, it will give you an error because your superclass is final. Then you have finally. The finally block is used to exception handling to ensure that the block of code is executed after a try block, regardless of whether an exception was thrown or not. So when you see here, there's a try block. Even if this IO exception is thrown or not, the finally block will get executed. So whenever you wanted some data or some logic to be executed, whether or not the exception is thrown from the try block, you can use the finally block. Then you have the finalize method. It's a protected method of object class that can be overridden to perform cleanup before the garbage object is garbage collected. So here there is a finalize method. So here in this you can write the cleanup code. In the finally you can call the super.finalize method of the garbage collector. Thank you. Good luck.